Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a single twinkling star? It looks so lonely up there all by itself. But what if I told you that many of the stars you see aren't actually alone? What if they have a friend or two or even three dancing with them through space? It's true, most stars in our galaxy aren't like our sun, which travels solo. Instead, they are part of binary systems where two stars orbit each other. It's like a cosmic dance that lasts for billions of years. So, why is finding four stars together such a mind-blowing discovery? Well, think about gravity. Gravity is the invisible force that keeps your feet on the ground and our planet orbiting the sun. Now imagine the gravity of four huge massive stars all pulling on each other at once. It's a recipe for chaos. In most scenarios, a system with that many stars would be incredibly unstable. The stars would likely pull each other in unpredictable ways, eventually flinging one or more of them out into deep space. It would be like trying to juggle four bowling balls at the same time. It's probably not going to end well. The fact that this quadruple system exists and is stable is what makes it so special. It means that nature has found a way to make this complex gravitational dance work. This discovery is a big deal because it provides a real-life example of a very rare and delicate cosmic arrangement. Scientists can now study this system to understand the precise conditions needed for four stars to coexist peacefully. It's like finding a perfectly preserved fossil of a creature no one thought could exist. It gives us a new blueprint for how solar systems, even very strange ones, can be built across the cosmos. If a star system can have four suns, could a planet exist in that system? Imagine what it would be like to live on a world. Let's break down what a quadruple star system actually is, using a simple idea. Imagine two dancers holding hands and spinning around together. This is like a binary star system where two stars orbit a common center of gravity. They are partners in a cosmic dance. Many stars in the sky are part of a binary pair like this. It's a very common and stable arrangement in the universe. Now imagine another pair of dancers, also holding hands and spinning around, a short distance away from the first pair. You now have two pairs of dancers. What if I told you that these two separate pairs were also circling each other? That is exactly what a quadruple star system is. It's a system of pairs within a pair. You have two stars that form a close binary pair. Another two stars that form a second close binary pair. Then these two pairs orbit each other from a much larger distance. It's a nested system, like Russian dolls, but with stars. This specific arrangement is called a hierarchical system, and it's the key to why the system is stable. So, in simple terms, a quadruple star system is a family of four stars, organized into two couples. Finding something as specific and rare as a quadruple star system is like looking for a single special needle in a galactic haystack. Scientists didn't just stumble upon it by looking through a backyard telescope. This discovery was made possible by combining data from several powerful telescopes and a little bit of clever detective work. It all started with a project called the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS. TESS is a space telescope designed to look for planets outside our solar system by watching for tiny dips in a star's brightness. Those tiny dips happen when a planet, or something else, passes in front of a star. While observing the star HD 99912, scientists noticed something peculiar. TESS data showed not one, but multiple complex dips in the star's light. It wasn't the simple, regular pattern of a single planet. The light curve was messy and complicated, multiple objects blocking the star at different times. That was the first clue something much stranger was happening. The team knew one data source wouldn't be enough. They needed more evidence. Astronomers turned to ground-based telescopes for a clearer picture. They used instruments like the Southern African Large Telescope to study the star's spectrum. Spectroscopy splits starlight into its colors like a rainbow. By analyzing that spectrum, scientists can see motion, towards us or away from us. What they found was amazing. So why does all of this matter? Why do we spend so much time, effort, and money to find and study strange star systems millions of light years away? It matters because every discovery like this one is a fundamental piece of the puzzle of who we are and where we came from. The universe is the biggest science lab there is, and by studying it, we learn about the laws of physics. These distant stars are not just pretty lights, they are clues to the grand story of the cosmos. Discoveries like the quadruple star system ignite our sense of wonder and curiosity. These are the feelings that drive all exploration, whether it's venturing into a deep cave on Earth or sending a probe to the farthest reaches of our solar system. Learning that a four-star family can exist makes us ask, what else is out there? It encourages the next generation of scientists, engineers, dreamers to look up at the sky and think big. It reminds us that there is always something new to learn. It tells us that we should never stop asking questions and never stop looking up.